Are you looking for the top 5 electric strapping machines that save time and labor? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 electric strapping machines that save time and labor on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. LOX Electric Strapping Machine. Enhance work efficiency. This electric strapping machines outperform manual ones by saving time and labor. They integrate tensioning, cutting, and banding into a single unit, eliminating the need for buckles or seals. This boosts efficiency, reduces strapping roll waste, and conserves steel resources. Additionally, our portable electric baler operates wirelessly, providing flexibility and convenience. Cutting-edge technology. LOX strapping machines feature an LCD screen for precise parameter adjustments, replacing traditional knob controls. Users can easily tailor packing strength and welding tape duration, with real-time data displayed on an electronic screen for intuitive packaging customization and swift reconfiguration for future use. Versatile strapping capabilities. Our machines accommodate PET polyester and PP polypropylene strapping, ranging from 0.5 to 0.63 inches in width and 0.024 to 0.047 inches in thickness. By simply swapping springs and adjusting accessories, they become ideal for securing light or medium weight packages like newspapers and plastic pipes. Extended battery life. Equipped with two 4,000 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries, each capable of 250 to 350 packing tapes per charge. Actual usage may vary. These batteries can be recharged up to 2,000 times, requiring only 90 minutes for a full charge and providing up to 5 hours of outdoor operation. Number 2. US Solid Electric Strapping Machine. Large pulling force. This machine is particularly suitable for work with high pulling force, such as boulders, bricks, and other packaging work that requires strong pulling force. Its pulling force range is 600-5500 N. Parameters: suitable for 1/2 to 1 inch width, 0.4 millimeters to 1.20 millimeters thickness, PET packing strapping, tensile strength, 600-5500 and adjustable. Tensioning speed, 60-200 mm/s. It takes 100 minutes to fully charge the battery. Higher work efficiency. Compared with manual strapping machines, automatic strapping machines can save you a lot of time and labor. The device combines tensioning, cutter, and banding in one device, with no need for buckle or seals, while improving efficiency, reducing the waste of strapping roll, and saving steel resources. Also, without the need to connect wires, the portable electric baler can work anywhere, anytime when fully charged. 180 straps. We have equipped you with 2 batteries for you to replace, and when the battery is fully charged, it can pack 360 straps in total. More advanced technology. Compared with other automatic strapping machines, US Solid strapping machines use an LCD screen instead of blindly adjusting these parameters through knobs. You can change the strength required during the packing process and the time for welding the packing tape. Moreover, this will allow you to intuitively know the specific values you need in the packaging process through the data displayed on the electronic screen, and you can quickly set the same product next time. Number 3. Tax Electric Strapping Machine. The HDXSCC electric strapping machine is a powerful and reliable solution for fast, efficient packaging in warehouses, logistics centers, and industrial environments. Designed for PP and PET straps ranging from 1/2 to 5/8 inches, this portable handheld banding tool delivers strong, consistent tension and secure sealing at the push of a button. It comes equipped with 2 high-capacity 4,000 mAh rechargeable batteries, ensuring long working hours with minimal downtime and quick battery swapping for continuous operation. The fully automatic strapping system simplifies the packaging process, reducing manual effort and improving productivity. Built with a durable, ergonomic design, the machine is comfortable to hold and easy to operate, even during extended use. Ideal for securing boxes, carton, and pallets, the tax strapping tool helps streamline packaging tasks while delivering professional, dependable results every time. Perfect for businesses seeking speed, efficiency, and portability in one robust strapping solution. Number 4. Zhongmin Electric Strapping Machine. Versatile for PP and pet strapping, our electric strapping machine handles 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch PP and pet straps with ease. The adjustable power and speed make it ideal for a wide range of applications, from light cartons to heavy-duty pallets in various industries. Dual batteries for all-day runtime. This strapping tool has 2 rechargeable and detachable lithium batteries. Each battery is 4,000 milliamp hours, and each battery can be fully charged with about 250 to 350 packing tapes. Only charged for 90 minutes. Then it can work outdoors for about 5 hours. All in one. This automatic banding tool streamlines your packaging by automatically performing tensioning, sealing, and cutting of PP/pet straps. With knob-adjustable sealing time and tension force, it drastically reduces labor time and boosts overall productivity. Comfortable and lightweight tool. The intuitive button layout and compact size make it easy to operate with one hand, even in tight spaces or in irregular shaped packages. You can adjust it to fit different sizes and shapes of goods, making your work easier and more fun. Perfect for various industries. Whether you're in paper, aluminum, steel, wood, chemical fiber, cotton, tobacco, chemical, or metal products, our strapping banding tool is here to help. Customer support. Whether you need help with setup, daily use, or troubleshooting, our team is always ready to assist. Reach out whenever you need help. We will reply within 12 hours. Number 5. High-top electric strapping machine. The electric strapping machine V2 model is update. Work efficiency is higher than the previous JDC and JD. It takes only 5 steps to easily pack an item. Make packing easier and less time-consuming. The strapping machine unique design of the LCD electronic screen allows you to quickly set the pulling force and fusing time you need. Improve work efficiency and accuracy. We provide an extra replacement for strapping tool, so you do not need buy battery. Each can be recharged 3,000 times, only charged for 1 hour. The tensioning force of our electric baler can reach 3200 N, makes the machine tie tighter when baling products. Work well in various packaging scenarios, for example paper industry, aluminum industry, steel industry, wood, wooden box packaging, chemical fiber, cotton spinning, chemical industry, metal products, and other industries. Know that the tension is not enough. Please contact us as soon as possible. Because the specifications of the straps are different, the machine needs to be. High-top electric banding tool, our professional on-packing strapping machine. If there is any problem, please contact us freely. During the warranty period, users can enjoy timely repair or replacement part services, free refund. If you need accessories, please contact on Amazon store. We will reply to all messages and send the accessories as soon as possible. Please note, high-top electric strapping machine tests many times before shipping. If there are welding or tightening problems, please check the user manual and precautions first. We have professional technicians to guide the operation to avoid operational errors.